Hey there to all my birding friends out there. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Birdfy metal smart feeder, 4K feeder, and we're going to be putting it out in the yard and seeing how this thing works. This is not my first experience with the Birdfy product. In fact, I've actually got several of their feeders. You might be wondering, now why are you getting this one if you've got some of their other ones? I love their other ones, but I'm looking for something that looks a little bit better in the backyard than my current feeder from them. We're going to take a look at everything it comes with. I'm going to just pull everything out real quick. We're going to get it set up. We're going to put it out in my yard, check out the bird footage, check out the app. So, instruction manual, some bird feeding tips. This was the main reason I went with this feeder. A, it's metal, so I don't have to worry about it getting torn up in the sun. I'm down here in South Texas, and the summer heat can really beat up the plastic on these feeders. I've had their smart bird bath before, and I loved it, but it got all faded within a couple of months because the sun was beating down on it. Look at this thing. This is going to be easy for me. Should slide right over my bird pole. I have a metal pole and we're going to be sitting this on it. That's how we're going to be mounting it. Look at this, it's pretty cool. This is how you tighten it on your pole. Look at that. It's got a metal clasp. It's got the Birdfy logo on it. Pretty slick. There it is. Just like with the Birdfy Pro Duo 2, what I love about this one is here's the camera. Get tired of using it in your feeder? Take the camera out, go put it anywhere you want to. You want to put it on your bird bath, you want to put it on a birdhouse, you want to use it for a security camera, comes out of the feeder. You can use it anywhere you want. But nice, small, can even thread it on the bottom here. So you can put it anywhere. You can use it as a trail camera if you want to. Wow, here is the feeder. And let me tell you, this thing is heavy duty. It is built like a tank. Look at that. Awesome. I mentioned before that I wanted something that looked a little bit better. I love these integrated solar panels. This is the first Birdfy feeder that's had the integrated solar panels, and they look so much better in the yard. You don't have these cables running to your solar panel. It makes it a whole lot easier as far as keeping it charged and mounting it. So we'll get it all put together and we will take a better look at this. But man, this thing's built really nice. Last but not least, we have some accessories in here. You have a cloth mounting strap in the event that you needed to put it around a post or something. We've got some metal clamps if you need to run it around your pole. Again, I'm going to be mounting it directly on top of my pole. We've got our USB to Type-C charging cable, and then just some mounting screws. Before we get on to looking at the camera, I wanted to do a quick demonstration to show you your different mounting options. We looked at this mounting option that I'm going to be using. This is basically going to slide over a pole. You're going to simply screw this into the bottom of the feeder. Pretty simple stuff there. Looks like it's going to be a 1-inch pole. I will verify that though when I go out there on my pole. So that's one option you've got. The other option that we talked about is the cloth mounting strap. I'll say this, if you're using that cloth mounting strap, I would be around a tree or something because this feeder is heavy, so you're going to need something that's pretty wide for this cloth strap to be able to hold it. Inside your hardware box though, don't miss it, you've also got this bracket. And this bracket kind of works similar to their very first feeder. I think it's called the Birdfy Original, where you can basically mount this to a post or a pole, and then the feeder latches onto the back, and it is all metal. So this is metal, and these two things are metal. So if you're somebody who's trying to put it on a 4x4 post or a house or a tree, this is probably the option you want to use. If somebody who's using a pole, this is probably the option you're going to use. I don't know that anybody's going to use this option, but you've got that as well. All right, let's talk about the feeder itself, and we'll talk about putting the camera in it. Man, this thing is really top-notch quality. Again, we've got the integrated solar panel up here. Everything else on this thing is metal, with the exception of your plexiglass sides that you can see through. And then even this bracket is metal, but you've got this wooden perch that is not metal. So if a squirrel gets on this thing, the only thing he can really tear up is going to be your perch. What's pretty cool is that perch is adjustable. So if you want to keep it close, you can keep it close. If you want to allow bigger birds, you can pull it out. It's pretty simple. When you want to open this thing, all you're going to do is kind of push it back and then tilt it forward. And then you put your seat in there. Simple stuff. You have a cable running in the back here. That's going to be what connects your solar panel to your camera. When you want to put the camera in, you simply have this plastic piece that slides out. We're going to sit our camera on it. slide it back in there. Super simple. When you want to take that camera in and clean it, or if you want to go move it somewhere else, get it out of the feeder, there is nothing to this. You can literally have this feeder up and running 5 minutes after you get it charged up. And another thing that's great is you've got a seed guard down here. What this does for you is it keeps birds from being able to put their beak in and throw all of the seed on the ground while they're looking for something they like to eat. So for somebody like me with your messy birds, this is great. It helps you keep some seed. Some people don't like it though, or maybe you're looking to feed something like suet nuggets or mealworm or something like that. Hey, if you don't want to use it, they have these little metal feet. Simply move them out of the way, take that off. You don't want to use it, perfectly fine. The other thing is just like most feeders, I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it, but it does have some openings in the bottom to allow moisture to get out and allow air to get in to keep your seed fresh. If you have a 1-inch outside diameter pole, or even smaller, I guess, mounting this thing is a piece of cake. Here's the feeder. I'm simply going to slide it over the top using the flange that came with, and I'm going to tighten the screw. Get it to whatever angle I want, pull out my perch to whatever angle I want. I can tighten that perch so that it stays. Super easy. I'm not going to go into too much detail with the app. It's kind of nice if you have multiple feeders like I do. You can simply scroll through them, and then you can simply click on the bell icon to see all of the action at your feeder, and then you can go back and choose any given day you want to look at previous days. It will keep your storage. This one also comes with free bird identification. I'm not using any memory card, anything like that. All of this is through cloud storage with Birdfy. If you look up at the top here, you will see all birds. I can look at just my cardinal footage, just my eastern bluebirds. I've had blue jay. I've had black-crested titmouse. Click on any one of them, go just to those birds. So if you don't want to scroll through every bird you had that day, you can do that really easy. The Birdfy app is the best one I've ever used. On any one of these, I can click download, and I can choose, do I want just a video file? Do I want video and image files? I can select all. But look how many picture shots it gave me just from that one time that bird landed on my feeder. Simply click on download. You've got those pictures on your phone. You do whatever you want with them. They also have a great community feature where you can share your images with other Birdfy users across the world, as well as look at their images as well. So the app works really well. I'm going to leave you with some sample footage that I got from my bird feeder, give you an idea of what the quality is like. Let me tell you, this thing is really the Cadillac of bird feeders. It's rather expensive, but the quality is excellent and the build of the feeder is excellent. The app is easy to use. I'm also going to leave a promo code down at the bottom should you decide you want to order anything from the Birdfy website, not just this feeder, but anything else. You can take 15% off. Compliments of my channel. Birdfy products are sold at various different retailers, so keep your eye open at Sam's, Walmart, places like that. You can usually catch a good deal there as well. As always, if the video helped, thumbs up or appreciate it. It really helps get my video out there to other people that are interested in this product. Thanks for watching. Get out there and enjoy some birding.